I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning. I wash the dishes after every meal. I wash the dishes after every meal. I clean the bathroom once a week. I clean the bathroom once a week. I vacuum the floor to keep it dust free. I vacuum the floors to keep it dust free. I mop the floors to keep it clean and shiny. I mop the floors to keep it clean and shiny. I dust the furniture every weekend. I dust the furniture every weekend. I do the laundry on Saturday. I do the laundry on Saturday. I fold the clothes after they dry. I fold the clothes after they dry. I iron my clothes to remove wrinkles. I iron my clothes to remove wrinkles. I take out the trash every evening. I take out the trash every evening. I clean the windows to let in more light. I clean the windows to let in more light. I water the plants every morning. I water the plants every morning. I cook meals for my family. I cook meals for my family. I prepare breakfast before going to work. I prepare breakfast before going to work. I feed my pet twice a day. I feed my pet twice a day. I walk the dog in the morning and evening. I walk the dog in the morning and evening. I change the bed sheets every week. I change the bed sheets every week. I sweep the porch to keep it tidy. I sweep the porch to keep it tidy. I clean the fridge to remove expired food. I clean the fridge to remove expired food. I organize the pantry to find things easily. I organized the pantry to find things easily. I take care of the garden on weekends. I take care of the garden on weekends. I wash the car to keep it shiny. I wash the car to keep it shiny. I pay the bills on the first of the month. I pay the bills on the first of the month. I go grocery shopping every Saturday. I go grocery shopping every Saturday. I clean the kitchens after cooking. I clean the kitchens after cooking. I wipe I wipe the countertop to keep them clean. I wipe the countertops to keep them clean. A dec- dectores the house to make it more organized. I declutters the house to make it more organized. I organize the closet to find clothes easily. I organize the closets to find clothes easily. I clean the stove after cooking. I clean the stove after cooking. I take care of the kids during the day. I take care of the kids during the day. I help the kids with their homework in the evening. I help the kids with their homework in the evening. I prepare lunch box for the kids. I prepare lunch box for the kids. I make coffee every morning. I make coffee every morning. I, s- I shovels the snow from the driveway. I shovels the snow from the driveway. I rake leaves in the fall. I rake leaves in the fall. I organize the garage to keep it tidy. I organize the garage to keep it tidy. I clean the carpets to remove stains. I clean the carpets to remove stains. I polish the furniture to keep it shiny. I polish the furniture to keep it shiny. I clean the microwave to remove food splatters. I clean the microwave to remove food splatters. I clean the oven to remove grease. I clean the oven to remove grease. I shorts the recycling to reduce waste. I short the recycling to reduce waste. I clean the baseboards to keep them dust free. I clean the baseboards to keep them dust free. I dust the blinds every other week. I dust the blinds every other week. I clean the light fixtures to brighten the room. I clean the light fixtures to brighten the room. I clean the sink to keep it sanitary. I clean the sink to keep it sanitary. I clean the door knobs every few days. I clean the door knobs every few days. I scrub the toilet twice a week. I scrub the toilet twice a week. I clean the cat litters box every day. I clean the cat's litter box every day. I vacuums the carpet twice a week. I vacuum the carpet twice a week. I plan the meals for the week. I plan the meals for the week.